Okay, here is our blacksmith post vise. This is an old one. This right here looks to me like a oxen head. I take this as an oxen head, but if you look at it this way over here, it says NY. The interesting features of this is it looks like it was handmade. Let me put this around here. This collar was fused together right there. You can tell. And if you look up in here, the heads was fused onto this part right here. And it was fused in right here. If you look real close right here, you'll see these balls was fused onto the rod right there. And over here, right across there. You can see the bolt was handmade. And the nut was handmade. It's all center. And if you look at this part right here, instead of cutting this off, they just folded the metal right over to on the other side. You'll see a dimple there and there and there and there, like it was clamped on something. Now the spring's in the way. Show these dimples over here. And it has dimples right here also, like this piece was clamped. This had to have been made way before a modern machinery. I've seen many post blacksmith vise, but I've never seen one built like this. This is extremely old. I've seen a lot of them in pictures and up close and personal, but none of them built like this. And I got a picture of one. Let's say I've got another one. Let me show that to you. This is one you can tell that they made with machinery because it looks completely different in here. The head is just made onto it. Regular nut. None of this was fused on at all. This ain't even got the collar. And Jerry's the one who welded this to his trailer. Yes, that does got a collar. I see it right there. Completely different looking. If you want more information on these, go over to Rusty's Glovebox. He has some more information on these blacksmith vise, and I'll put a link below. If you're interested in blacksmithing, I regard this as one of the best books that I have ever bought, and I have many.